my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to do the baobab oil. This one, oh, this is baobab. So I already have some powder here. There, come down. I already have some powder here. So because I don't have enough seeds, look at I don't have enough seeds to make the baobab seed oil, so we'll just be using the powder. Okay? Using the powder, the baobab, because we don't have enough seed to make the baobab oil, so we'll just use the powder. Okay, follow me through. This is the baobab. No, this is the powder. So I already made the powder. I already made this one from to this. So take your bottle and then take some. Yeah, you take let's say 1 cup of baobab powder. You use 2 cups of olive oil. The reason I like using olive oil is because it's very light oil. You can also use coconut oil, but with me, coconut oil, I don't know if you guys notice, I love olive oil in all my products. So you can actually extract the baobab oil using the seed, but this baobab fruit that I showed you, it didn't have a lot of seeds, so that's why I just use the baobab powder itself. So now here I'm pouring the baobab here. So one of the benefits of baobab itself, like the fruit, if you want to make it a smoothie, it helps with immune health, skin health, weight loss, bone health, detox. If you want the detoxification, you want to detox, and if you have also lack of your digestion system is not working very well, so this thing helps with that. But let's just focus mostly on the benefits of the skin. So once you pour the baobab and the oil, you put it in a dark area for at least 1 week or a month. So you put it there, but you always make sure that every day you must shake it out. You must open and shake the powder so that everything can be well mixed. After that, you strain it, and then so that you can use a clean cloth. Guys, this cloth is clean. It looks finished, but it's clean. So the benefits of baobab is that on the skin, it supports healthy skin. It supports healthy skin moisture barrier. So your skin barrier is the outmost layer of the epidermis, which plays a key role in maintaining moisturized skin. So a healthy skin barrier locks in moisture, prevents your skin from drying out, and keeps skin soft and smooth. So, and also it preserves collagen. Yes, guys, collagen makes up a third of the protein in your body, and it's what gives the skin the strength and elasticity. So the older we get, the slower collagen production becomes. So it's important to support your skin with a healthy diet and proper skin care. So baobab oil is rich in antioxidants that, when used on the skin, help to preserve collagen and keep skin strong and glowing. And also it combines lines and wrinkles. Baobab cleans gently. It's also baobab oil is skin microbiome friendly. It fights against acne. If you have acne, this is the best oil for you. So if you have oily, acne prone skin, it seems like the last thing you would want to do is put even more oil on your face. But however, with baobab, it's actually good for oily skin. It's lightweight, doesn't clog pores, moisturize your skin to prevent the production of excess oil that leads to acne. And also it's gentle enough to sensitive skin and won't cause any irritation. It also a very good conditioner. Baobab is also a very good conditioner for your hair growth. It moisturizes your scalp, it strengthens your nails, heals chapped lips, softens irritations and eczema. It fights free radicals. Baobab reduces damage from UV rays. Baobab oil protects from air pollution, clean, sustainable, and wild. So there's a lot of benefits for baobab. So guys, that's what I did. You can see the reason when I say that it's lightweight. You see, I apply it on my skin. I have a very super sensitive skin, oily skin, but you can see on how moisturized this thing is. It's lightweight. It doesn't stand out on top of your skin. It doesn't clog pores. Sorry, English is not my first language. Okay. Okay, yeah, but it's my first language. Okay. Yes, so now that's how the oil looks like. This one is, I use the baobab powder. Actually, if you want, you can extract it using the baobab seed. What you do, you just pound and all of that, but you need enough seeds to extract your oil. So it's very easy to do this, guys. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos. And yes, we can all get baobab everywhere, I guess. I don't know, in Africa, yes. Yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching. Bye, guys. Bye.